When summer arrives, Pakistan's water demand increases. However, tap water isn't widely available, and most people rely on pipes for drinking water. Therefore, this company that manufactures PVC pipes has become their shampoo brand. Thanks to its excellent quality, it accounts for 90% of sales in Islamabad and Peshawar. This processing workshop occupies only 200 square meters, which would be considered a rural enterprise here. Good pipes are made of high-quality materials. This young, beautiful girl, a young man clutches a large bag of tree branch powder. Don't be fooled by his graying beard. He's only 28. The ruby and the watch he wears prove he's no ordinary man. He pours the white tree branch powder into a blender, adding 2 large bags each time. No more, no less, exactly 50 kilograms. To make the pipes stronger and more durable, a certain amount of epoxy soybean oil, often used as a growth enhancer and stabilizer for PVC, is also added. Besides giving the pipes better stability and flexibility are then added. Different pigments can produce different colored pipes. After stirring to a certain degree, some lubricant is still needed. The Master Craftsman, without any weighing tools, achieves the perfect balance of ingredients. Truly a master craftsman. The mixed ingredients now turn into a golden powder. If you hadn't told me, you'd have thought it was cornmeal for pigs. Then the master mixes these ingredients. The material is poured into the extruder's feed port. To ensure continuous operation, the extruder, without a drive belt, has to carry small cylinders one by one. This machine is significantly more advanced, employing an electric heating system to heat the powder until it melts. A rotating blade at the rear end then cuts the extruded plastic into pellets. The pellets are then cooled and blown out through an air supply system. These pellets are then used to make PB&C water pipes. The pellets shrink as they are shrunk. These pellets are then poured into the feed of another extruder to begin a new journey. The entire process of forming the water pipe, from heating and extrusion to cooling and molding, requires no manual intervention. Each step is executed with precision according to a preset procedure, significantly improving the quality and stability of the product. As the extruded water pipe slowly emerges from the mold, it undergoes multiple drip cooling steps. Cool water droplets evenly fall on the pipe surface, gradually lowering its temperature. As the internal structure gradually stabilizes, the finished pipes can't be immediately collected. The spray gun at the end of the pipe is not yet ready for collection. Key information, such as the production date, batch number, and product specifications will be automatically printed on the pipe surface, like an ID card for the pipe. Finally, the finished pipes are collected manually. This is a simple task and very pleasant to operate. In China, this easy task would usually be done by the boss's brother-in-law. The coiled pipes are not ready to leave the factory yet. They need to be sealed at both ends with a conical iron. This prevents dust from entering and contamination, and also prevents contamination during transportation, so you never know where they'll pass. Then, they need to be wrapped in plastic film. At this point, the pipes are finished. These finished pipes are all packaged and can then be shipped to stores for sale, allowing every Pakistani customer to have access to these products. It can be done quickly, also using water.